So this is the trap door. There's a box outside that I dump my Ford V into with the tractor bucket. This closes for winter. Not insulated, but this house is not very efficient anyway. And then so I have a vacuum seeder that I use for paper pot, the paper pot right here, and then the regular 1/28. That's pretty much all I use, and 50s are, I just hand sew those. And then this is just hooked up to a simple plug, and it turns on, and then I can just kill it with a switch.
So do you have a shop vac in the box?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yep.
Nifty.
Just a little one.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Oh, okay.
It's inside. It's just insulated, so it's not
quiet.
super loud. I mean, it was way loud. Even that. I mean, it's great. Like if I have music going, I can still hear stuff. But the only problem is that this year I had to rig this up because I found a mouse nest in there.
Oh.
They crawled in, and then we're in. I was like, I used it the first time this spring, and I was like, this really smells. What's going on in there? Sure enough.